These are just a few common challenges that wig-wearing consumers may encounter in their daily lives. Addressing these challenges through proper care, maintenance, styling techniques, and self-care practices can help enhance the overall wig-wearing experience and promote confidence and comfort for wearers. 1. Comfort and fit. Ensuring that the wig cap fits securely and comfortably on the head can be a challenge for some wig wearers. Ill-fitting wigs may cause discomfort, itching, or shifting throughout the day, leading to a lack of confidence and distraction from daily activities. 2. Styling and maintenance. Maintaining the style and appearance of a wig can be time-consuming and require regular care and attention. Wig wearers may encounter challenges in styling their wigs, such as achieving desired looks, managing tangles, and preserving the quality of the wig over time. 3. Natural appearance. Creating a natural and seamless look with a wig, especially at the hairline and parting, can be a challenge for some wearers. Ensuring that the wig blends seamlessly with natural hair or skin tone and avoiding any visible wig lines or knots are common concerns for wig wearers. Durability and longevity. Wigs are subject to wear and tear from daily use, styling, and environmental factors. Maintaining the durability and longevity of a wig, such as preventing shedding, frizz, or color fading, can be a challenge for wearers seeking to preserve the quality of their investment. Styling versatility. Some wig wearers may face challenges in achieving a variety of styles and looks with their wigs, especially if the wig is designed for a specific hairstyle or texture. Finding ways to customize and adapt the wig to different occasions or preferences can be a common daily challenge for wearers. Comfort in different environments. Wearing a wig in different environments, such as hot or humid weather, can present challenges in terms of comfort, breathability, and sweat absorption. Finding wigs that are lightweight, breathable, and comfortable for all-day wear in diverse settings can be a priority for wig wearers. Hair and scalp health. Maintaining the health of the natural hair and scalp underneath the wig is important for wig wearers to prevent damage, breakage, or irritation. Proper scalp hygiene, moisturization, and care routines may be necessary to support overall hair and scalp health while wearing a wig. Confidence and self-expression. Building confidence and embracing self-expression while wearing a wig can be a daily challenge for some individuals, particularly those who are new to wig wearing or facing societal stigma or misconceptions about wearing wigs. Overcoming self-doubt and embracing personal style and identity through wig wearing can be a journey for many wearers. Securing the wig. Ensuring that the wig stays securely in place throughout the day can be a challenge for some wearers. Issues such as wig slippage, shifting, or lifting at the edges may arise, requiring the use of adhesives, tapes, or wig grips to maintain a secure fit. Weather and climate. Adapting to different weather conditions and climates can pose challenges for wig wearers, as factors such as humidity, temperature, and moisture levels can impact the appearance and feel of the wig. Choosing wigs that are suitable for various weather conditions and making adjustments in styling and care routines may be necessary.